2800 rupees isn't much for gaming headphones, but does the HyperX Cloud Stinger Core is a good choice for this range? We are about to find out. So this is the shipping package. Before talking any further, let's do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. Getting all the boxes out of the way, we have our headphones. Let's start with what I like about these gaming headphones. When you hold the headphones, it feels very lightweight yet sturdy. It doesn't feel like you are wearing some heavy pair of headphones. And if you have never used a HyperX product, then let me tell you that they are known to make long-lasting things. You can twist it like this and it will not break. Also, the sliders are made out of steel, so these won't break easily. Plus, it also comes with a 2 years of warranty. Isn't that great? Now, talking about another thing I like about these headphones is the level of comfort. They have this fabric padding which is not traditional and makes it not so premium feeling, yet I found it to be comfortable. After playing COD Advanced Warfare for 2.5 hours, I didn't feel any discomfort or pain, and even the clamping force is not that hard like it was on the JBL Quantum 100. Then we have compatibility with PCs, smartphones, PS4 and PS5, and some people even say that these work with Xbox. I wasn't able to test that out. Last but not least, I like the fact that the mic can be flipped up when not in use, and it's quite flexible. You can adjust the way you like. Now, the thing I don't like about this mic is that even though this is a flip up mic, but it doesn't have mute integration like it was on JBL headphones and some mid-range headphones. Like, you can flip up the mic and it will mute automatically, but you have to do it manually from the controllers. There you also have the volume control to control the device volume. Now, talking about the cons of this device, there are only few. One is the thing I just mentioned about the mic, the muting feature. The second is that you have cables running on both ear cups, which is quite rare these days. I mean, some people don't mind, but a cable running to one of these ear cups would be much more convenient. One last thing, there is no splitter included within the box. So HyperX Stinger Core also has a noise cancellation mic, so this should sound extremely good, but let's go ahead and test it out ourselves. So this is the audio quality test of the inline mic. This is where the person you are playing games with put here, and to be honest, it is very decent mic. The person on the other side can easily get what you are saying. Now, coming down to the most crucial part of any headphone, and that is the sound quality. So talking about, we get 40mm driver which produces great sound. It is equalized in such a way that it makes gaming experience better. The sound coming out of this is very bass oriented, so bombs, gunshots, impact sound very nice. On the other side, vocals and high frequencies are present, but I would be happy if they boosted those frequencies a bit more. But still, considering the price, it is a good buy. Rest isolation is amazing, outdoor noises it doesn't leak in, and they are quite loud as well. As I mentioned, it works with almost everything, and I have tested it thoroughly on every device. On PC and PlayStation it sounds great, but the last thing you should be plugging this in would be a smartphone. I don't know if a mobile device cannot provide enough power or what, but they sound very bad on a smartphone. I was only getting bass frequencies, mids and highs were barely present. Even if you plug this on a Nintendo Switch, they sound great, but not on a smartphone. Now, the big question is it worth it or not? So for me, these are worth it. They are well built, comfortable, and the mic sounds great, and most importantly, they sound amazing. So if you're in the market looking for gaming headphones, then you can blindly pick this up, and the links to the best deals are down below in the description. But that's been it, guys. That's it for today. If you want me to compare this with any other gaming headphones, please do let me know in the comments down below. But like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye bye.